Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You'll start by confirming credentials and a backup so you can revert if needed. Open Settings and tap your name to verify the Apple ID. Make sure you know the old email type, iCloud, Exchange, or IMAP/POP, because steps differ. Once done, back up to iCloud or to a computer to preserve mail and settings. This prevents accidental data loss and simplifies recovery. Now move to Mail, Contacts, and Calendar settings to locate the account you'll remove. We'll delete it safely next. You're in Settings, so tap Mail then Accounts and pick the old address. Toggle off Mail to stop syncing, which keeps local data if you want, or choose Delete Account to remove the account and its mail from the device. For Exchange or corporate accounts, you may need a device management prompt. Accept and follow on-screen confirmations. If the address is tied to iCloud or your Apple ID, go to your Apple ID settings and sign out or change the primary email. Make sure to keep a backup first. Finish by restarting your iPhone and opening Mail to confirm the old address is gone. If you need the same inbox re-added, use Settings Mail Accounts, Add Account, and enter credentials. This creates a clean sync. If the account persists, check for device management profiles in Settings, General VPN and Device Management, or perform a network settings reset to clear lingering connections. As a final tip, force restart the phone if sync errors continue. That often clears cached account info and fixes.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.